We believe in the same creator that talked to Jesus, that same creator that talked to Moses, that same creator that spoke to Abraham, that brought the messages to them. We believe in that one God, right? Christians, as you grew up, I think who was a pastor in your family? Your grandfather, right? They worship Jesus. But we asked them, who did Jesus worship? Like he was worshiping God.
In Christianity, Jesus is the physical embodiment of the Creator. Jesus is the physical embodiment.
Right? But Jesus,
It's a Trinity. It's a Trinity.
the Holy Ghost.
It's a Trinity. It's a
Right?
Trinity.
But think about it. Does the Father ever worship Jesus?
No, they'd be worshiping himself.
Exactly. But Jesus worships the God above, right? He prays to the Father. So if he was God, as the Trinity tells us, he'd be worshiping himself, right? So that's...
I have to read. Yeah, we do.
Yeah, we were looking for my mom. I'm sorry too.
No problem. You've got the information. Have a great day. Thank you.